You didn't make the product, but you're still liable for it. If something you sell causes injury or damage, the lawsuit doesn't stop at the manufacturer. It lands on your desk too. And if that manufacturer is overseas, uninsured, or out of business, you're left holding the bag. I've seen distributors blindsided by six-figure claims because their general liability policy wasn't built for products exposures. Even if you had nothing to do with the design or the production, courts often treat you as the, quote, manufacturer of record. It's unfair, but it's reality. At the Coyle Group, we work with distributors and wholesalers across the U.S., from consumer products to industrial equipment, helping them build insurance programs that anticipate and mitigate these risks before they occur. We understand how products move, where liability can be hidden, and how to ensure your coverage responds when you need it most. Product liability insurance protects you when the worst happens, covering defense costs, settlements, and claims when a product you sell causes harm. And it's not just about lawsuits, it's about protecting contracts, retailer relationships, and your reputation. Whether you import, private label, or distribute domestically, we make sure your program fits your exact risk profile, not some generic template. So, if you're looking for product liability insurance for your distribution business, let's talk. Click the Get Insured button on this page or in the description box below, and let's schedule some time to chat. We'll review your supply chain, your exposures, and build a plan that gives you confidence, not confusion, about your coverage. You've worked too hard to be one defective shipment away from disaster. Let's get your protection right.